Hey Siri, yo mama is so dumb. She tried to climb Mountain Dew.
Your mama's so dumb. She went to the eye doctor to buy an iPhone.
Yo mama is so dumb. She bought tickets to Xbox Live.
Your mama's so dumb. She cut open a pineapple and said, "SpongeBob, where are you?"
Yo mama is so dumb that she put a battery in water to make an energy drink.
Your mama's so dumb. She sued Xbox One for guessing her IQ. Your mama's so dumb. She thinks Gluteus Maximus was a Roman emperor.
Wait, I didn't even go yet.
Your mama's so dumb. I peed in the snow and she picked it up and thought it was a snow cone.
Wait, you can pee?
Your mama's so dumb. I asked her to count from 1 to 40. She counted 1 to 40. Your mama's so dumb.
Okay, we're done. Comment if I won this roast battle.
No, subscribe if